It's no longer acceptable to detect intrusion and then mitigate against that when you have IoT devices that people have actual physical access to. We take a different approach, which is actually prevent it from happening in the first place.
This is protection, not detect and respond. This is a change in the paradigm about how we think about security. And we in the OT markets have the ability to do that today. We can change the paradigm. We don't have to follow the mistakes of the IT world.
We've learned quite a bit, and the ability to meet new partners that we didn't even know were out on the scene, coming out here with cutting-edge technologies.
So the opportunity to work with Mocana is really to enable another level of security within the communication, wireless communication between an IoT product and the cloud. And this is an important part of that. I know that Mocana has also worked very intensively with Verizon, and this is where we can build a solution together.
I'm IoT biz dev, but I build strategic partnerships. So, and obviously with a company like Mocana, we work together really closely. We had some great meetings this week. You know, out of the meeting, we really have some pretty interesting things that we're going to be working on in the next upcoming months.